All right, the rosemary is cut, so now we're going to grab 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to mince these as well, and we're going to look for little brown ends on the ends of our garlic cloves. We'll remove those. Once they're cut, we'll put them all together and go over them one final time. All right, we have all of our ingredients ready now. So we're going to take our baking dish and a stick of butter. I'm going to pull the butter back, and we're going to run it along the bottom of the baking dish so that the vegetables do not stick when we're roasting them. All right, now we're going to mix together all of our vegetables, but not the rosemary. And then we're going to put them in here. We're going to sprinkle about half a tablespoon of oil. And we're going to give them just a little bit of salt and pepper. We'll give them another stir when they're in the dish. Make sure that all of our vegetables are broken up and they're all coated with the oil and the salt and pepper. And we're going to take our rosemary and just sprinkle that over the top. Our oven's heated to 350, so we're going to put these in the oven and let them bake for about 30 minutes.